Hi Aumsville, I'm Lauren. I hope you're having a good day.
Hi, my name is Evelina.
Hi Aumsville, I'm Allison.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. I hope you're having a great day.
Hi, my name's Oliver.
Hi, hope you had a great weekend. My name's Ashton. Hope you're having a great week.
My advice for you is to always have fun with your friends and be kind and appreciate your teacher and all of your family.
Just follow directions and work hard.
You should do your best whether it's library, state testing, PE, music. Just do your best.
Some advice for you is to do really good and don't worry about something that may have not gone your way during the weekend.
Work hard and listen.
My advice to you is to be kind to others.
My advice for you is just to have fun and hang with your friends.
My advice to you is just to be happy.
To be a good student during the week, you have to try hard.
It'll be okay. It's going to be a new day tomorrow and you can find new friends. Bye, Aumsville. Have a good day.
Bye. See ya.
Bye, Aumsville.